The HP LaserJet Pro M15w printer is a compact wireless laser printer designed for quick printing from laptops, smartphones, and tablets. To use its wireless features, the printer must first be connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you can print documents without a USB cable and even send files directly from the HP Smart app. The setup process only takes a few minutes and usually involves placing the printer into Wi-Fi setup mode and connecting it through the HP Smart application. Try these. Step 1. Turn on the printer and press and hold the wireless button until the blue Wi-Fi light begins blinking. Step 2. Download and open the HP Smart app on your phone or computer. Step 3. In the app, select Add Printer and allow it to search for the HP LaserJet Pro M15w. Step 4. Choose your home Wi-Fi network and enter the network password when prompted. Step 5. Wait for the setup to finish and print a test page to confirm the printer is connected wirelessly.